my eyes. This is my nose. These are my teeth. This is my mouth. These are my shoulders. These are my hands. These are my fingers. These are my hands. These are my arms. This is my chest. These are my legs. This is my foot. These are my body parts. Thank you, student.